Hello and welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we will learn Python file handling, reading and writing files, working with CSV data and parsing JSON. File operations are essential for any real-world Python application. The open function opens a file. The first argument is the file name, the second is the mode. R for reading, the file must exist. W for writing, creates a new file or truncates an existing one. A for appending, adds to the end. Always close the file when done to release system resources. The with statement is the best way to handle files. With open file name as f, this creates a context manager. The file is automatically closed when the block ends, even if an exception occurs. You never need to call f.close explicitly. Always use with for file operations, it's the Pythonic way. The CSV module handles comma-separated value files. csv.reader returns each row as a list. csv.DictReader is even better, it uses the header row as dictionary keys. csv.writer writes data to CSV. You can change the delimiter for tab-separated or pipe-separated files. The JSON module handles JSON data. json.load reads JSON from a file object. json.loads parses JSON from a string, note the S for string. json.dump writes Python data to a file as JSON. json.dumps returns a JSON string, use indent equals to for pretty printing. Let's read a file line by line. With open data.txt as f, we iterate using enumerate. Enumerate with start 1 gives us line numbers starting from 1. Line.strip removes trailing new lines. Output 1: hello, 2: world, 3: Python. Now writing to a file. We have a list of names, Alice, Bob, Charlie. Open names.txt in write mode with W. Loop through names and write each with a new line. The file now contains 3 lines, 1 name per line. Reading a CSV file with DictReader. Import CSV, open students.csv. DictReader automatically uses the first row as keys. Each row is a dictionary access with row bracket name and row bracket score. Much more readable than working with list indices. Parsing a JSON configuration file. Import JSON, open config.json, call json.load. The data is now a Python dictionary. Access nested values with chained brackets, data bracket database bracket host gives localhost. Important tips to remember. Always use the with statement for automatic file closing. Use RB and WB modes for binary files like images and PDFs. csv.DictReader is better when your CSV has headers. Use json.dumps with indent for human-readable JSON output. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.